very good time, 15 years. That is very rare time, that is very rare breakout which we get regular, no, which we not get regularly. Now second condition was that if it is breaking out, has to break out with the king candle, means super bullish candle. So there was a king candle. Yes, it was a king candle. And the most important thing and third condition is we need high volume also during the breakout time. So that condition was also fulfilled. So this trade was perfect trade for our position for you, or you can say that this was the one trade out of 20 trades which we want to take for a year's time frame, between the year's time frame. So this is the example of volume, why volume is important. Now this is second example, and this is JK Tire weekly time frame. Now what happened in JK Tire? It was trading in a downtrend since 2018. You can see it was trading in a downtrend. Then from 2019 it went to consolidation, right? And then here something strange happened. The stock has given a breakout. It was a king candle with high volume. Actually, it was given a breakout in it happened, the major volume happened in that candle only. So what this indicates? What volume indicates? I don't think so many people. I think big people. Because if everybody in the room will buy now, we cannot create this much volume, right? This volume creates by FIIs, DIIs or some big insider. This volume create, and they don't trade intraday. FII don't trade straddle, they don't trade strangle, they don't buy option, or maybe they are selling option because of the portfolio hedging, but they don't get return from options and option buying. They do their portfolio 1 time, 2 time, 3 time using equities, right? So what we are doing here, we are just trying to understand that in which stocks big players are getting enter and at what point they are entering. Now just understand, this volume will not come automatically, or this volume is not normal volume. See, in many years there was no volume in the stock. There was no volume in the stock. Why happened here only? And by the way, that time this was 52-week high time, high price. Why anyone buy at 52-week high with such a big volume? Okay, so maybe he has some internal news which we don't have, or maybe he is knowing something which we don't know, right? Let's with that and take advantage. Okay, this is my try. Now, second example is FEM industry, and again this is monthly time frame. There was a 2 breakout. One breakout is here and second breakout at lifetime high. In both breakout there was high volume. Okay, now this is one more example, Elecon Engineering. See the consolidation time. Stock was like listed at 2002, it went and made high at 2008, then it came down 2009, and from 2009 it was consolidating since 2022. Now just imagine, if any stock is breaking out after 2008 in 2022, that how many years? 20 years. And this is breaking out with bullish candle. This was not king candle, this was bullish candle, and with high volume. So who was buying here? We don't know. I don't want to know also, right? But I just understood that as per this thing, this stock will go to lifetime high. That time my first target was lifetime high. This is the perfect example of reversal breakout. And lifetime high also did. So that time it was a multi-year breakout. And again, there was a high volume. Actually, the volume was high previously. Like it was very high before this volume also. So the point is, if any big player is entering in the stock, he will not come for 10% or 5%. He will come 100%, 2%, 300%. Right? And no one will tell you that I am buying this stock or I am buying this stock. Even if you see Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is known for Titan, but no one was knowing when he bought Titan. He bought many stocks, but one stock went 20 times, 30 times. So my try is, I will trade less and I will try to find out this type of breakout. Right? So this is my full practice which I do yearly basis, and I try to find this type of stocks. Now, if I have 100 rupees capital, my 90 rupees capital is like it will go for this type of trade, and only 10 rupees capital I will do some swing trade or positional trade, this kind of thing. But my major capital will go to here. Now, as per the current market situation, I am not getting any good stock. So it's okay. This is not the time for this strategy. The strategy will not work here because the market is not as per this strategy right now. But this will not for 1 year or 2 years. After maybe 6 months or 8 months, market will change. And again, I will get good breakouts in mid-cap stocks and small-cap stock. So that time we have to come again and we have to trade. Now, breakout and breakdown. Normally, I don't take a trade in a breakdown because I don't short. So what is breakout and breakout? Breakout refers when the price of an asset move above the resistance area or move below the support area. Now I am not talking about daily time frame or 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame or 3-minute time frame. I am talking out about weekly time frame and monthly time frame. See, I can understand there is lots of trader here, but just ask this question to yourself that you are doing all this trade. Maybe you are doing 100 trades in a week or 100 trades in a month. How much return you are generating on your capital? क्या आपको लगता है कि इतनी मेहनत आपको देनी चाहिए और उतने मेहनत से आप जो मेहनत कर रहे हो उसका रिटर्न आपको मिल रहा है? अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो that means that your temperament is not like a trader. Okay, first you have to understand what is your temperament, what suits to you. Right? So now breakout, and if any stock or any asset is breaking below the major support area, that is breakdown. Now, previously I was used to follow only multi-year breakout, which I showed you in Tata Power and all this type of thing. Then I realized if any stock is breaking out lifetime high, but it has started from some bottom area, right? Then why I am not finding out that bottom area also? Then I was trying to find out that type of bottom area, and that I call reversal breakout. Okay, so there is one thing which I follow, that is multi-year breakout. When stock is breaking out above lifetime high and it is breaking out after 5 years, 10 years or 7 years or 3 years. But if stock is trending on a downtrend for 10 years and then it consolidate and then it is getting breakout, so that also can give me good return. Actually, reversal breakout will give you double return than multi-year breakout, because first it will come from down and then it will again break out on a multi-year time frame. So you can pyramid your position at multi-year time frame. Normally people in cash market, normally people buy stock when it came down, when it come down. But generally, if you are buying, if your major breakout level or major time frame level, then you can buy more and you can create more profit in your portfolio. That is called pyramiding. So now, first I will give you some multi-year breakout example, and then we will see some example for the reversal breakout. So this is the chart of Reliance, and this is monthly time frame. This was my first, you can say this was my first biggest trade which I took in my account, in my family account. So, you know, whatever I am telling to you ना, ये सब मुझे पहले से नहीं पता था. I was in the market from 2012. I was doing my business and I was trying to search some system which suit me. I tried many indicators. I tried intraday. I tried BTST. I tried options also. But time I was trying option buying, and that time there was no awareness for option selling. So I had not tried option selling, but I was trying my hand in option buying. And then I realized that nothing is working for me because maybe my temperament was not perfect for that strategies. And then after, you can say after 4 or 5 years of struggling, I found out this type of strategy which is working good for me and which is perfect for my temperament. Because I am not sitting on a screen for full time. How many of yours are sitting from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. in market in front of screen? Okay, okay, there are few people. I see only 1 hour or half an hour market on a daily time frame. Because whatever I am doing now, that don't need regular screen watching. Whenever I open my terminal, I just open to buy something or sell something or to analyze something. Now this is the example of multi-year breakout. See, this type of breakout you will get once in a year. Once in a year. And believe me, there is lots of opportunity you will get every year. Right? So this breakout was very clear. In 2008, Reliance was made high, was 816. Now, the consolidation, see, it break out at 2017. How many years? 9 years. So first condition is time frame, it's above 5 year. Yes, it's above 5 year. Second condition, I have not put in here volume, but there was a volume. Second condition, this breaking out with a king candle, almost a king candle, right? And I will tell you the consolidation part also. So that time it was very clear that Reliance is breaking out after 2007 or 8. So there is something happening in the Reliance. Can anyone tell me what happened in 2017 in Reliance which create this breakout? Jio. I still remember before Jio कोई भी सिम कार्ड लेने के लिए लाइन नहीं लगाता था. Right? During 2017, everybody was in queue to take a SIM card because it was giving free internet. And before Jio, internet was a luxury. Right? So that was the revolution which Reliance was doing it. And it was clearly visible on the chart. But what everyone will think, suppose you have bought Reliance somewhere here in 2009 or 2010. What you will do when your price will come? Suppose you are holding and again your price is coming after 9 years or 10 years, what you will do? And what you will say? अरे भाई मेरा भाव आ गया बच गया. Right? That is normal psychology. But someone was buying and who is someone? Maybe FIIs or DIIs or maybe again Reliance was a good company in India. Fundamental was previously also good. Again, the fundamental is good. But what changed in the Reliance? Sentiment. The company vision has been changed. So that creates this big breakout. And then Reliance gave me almost 100% return. But that time I was not trailing my stock. So I will come to that point also. That when I realized that I should trail my stock. Hello. Okay. So this is the one example. This second example, Escort. The stock made high in 1999. Then it consolidated for almost and it gave a breakout at 2016. What is the time frame, sir? 1999 and 2016? 7 years. 17 years. After 17 years, stock is giving a breakout. Right? What was the change in the company in 2016? See, again, we don't have to understand what was the change. We are seeing that our condition is fulfilling. So we will buy. Yes, they introduced Royal Enfield Bullet. So sometimes you can generate more return by doing less number of trade, but these all trades are basically boring. No one loves boredom or boreness. Everybody wants thrilling, excitement and everyday trade. Now this is again one more example, Balrampur Chili. 2006 lifetime high, broke out at 2021 after 15 years. Price was good, volume was good, time was good. All three conditions was fulfilling. You know, sometimes some stock will break out and it will give 100% return in 3 months, in 5 months. Which is this condition? When market is bullish or when market is trending higher high for 3-5 months. That time your breakout will supported by market and it will give you fast return. But suppose any breakout is coming nowadays, then maybe it will take 6 months, 7 months or 8 months. Why? Because market is not supporting that stock. Okay. See, most important thing is we need good sentiment. All these things work in good sentiment only. Now this is the example of reversal breakout. And this is again Tata Power. If you will go to my Twitter account and you will search Vijay THK Tata Power, you will get this tweet. This stock was trading in a downtrend from 2008 till 2020. Now there is a chart pattern which is bullish chart pattern. It calls inverse head and shoulder. The stock has given breakout with inverse head and shoulder in 2020 with good volume and good price, and this was reversal breakout, and then it went to almost lifetime high and again it gave a breakout at lifetime high and again it went almost 260 rupees. So in this type of trade you can create 200-300% return in one stock by holding only 8 to 9 months. So my try is always to find out this type of stock. This is KCL. We bought recently at July month, in August month only. This was trading in a downtrend since last 7 years, from 2015 to 2022. It has given good breakout at 290. It went at lifetime high. It broke lifetime high also, but now again it came down. So now your question will be, sir, how to select this type of stock? Right? Can anyone tell me what was the common thing in all this stock when it was breaking out? Yes, sir, right. First common thing was all the stocks were at some point of time they were at 52-week high. This was first point. Second common thing, no, that is okay. I am telling you common. Okay, so that is called lifetime high. So 52-week high, lifetime high, and the stock was breaking out after many years, like 10 years, 5 years, 15 years. So the stock selection method is very simple. You have to check 52-week high on a weekly time frame. Okay, now we will check some 52-week high stocks here. And if suppose we are getting 10 stock, will we buy all the 10 stocks? No, we will see the chart. No, we will see the chart. Suppose any stock is breaking after 3 years also, maybe 1 year also. But we will see the chart and then we will understand that the setup is good or not. See, if stock is breaking out in 1 year time frame or 2 year time frame, I am guarantee you it will not give you 100% or 50% return. It will give you 10 to 15% return because the time frame is very narrow. Okay. So the higher the time frame, you will get higher the return. Again, one more thing, the higher the time frame, the accuracy will be higher. So when I select stock, I never buy which stock is breaking out after 1 year or 2 years, because that is normal positional trade. That is not give me 200 or 300% return or 100% return, right? As of now, there are lots of examples which is breaking out after 1 year or 2 years. Second method is check all the stocks weekly basis, all time high. Which stock is breaking all time high? See, all these things you have to do on a weekly basis, not on a daily basis. You have to give only 1 or 2 hours on a weekly time frame to do all this analysis. Okay, and you have to create your own watch list. Now, third is again watch list. You have to create your 10-15 stock watch list which are fulfilling all these conditions. So you have to keep regular track on that stock. Fourth is scanner. I will give you that scanner and I will share with you, all of you. So first we will go to the, what I am telling you, what we will do the practical things here and we will understand my screen. I want to show my screen. We are going to do some live practice, though you can understand that what I am telling you, that it is working on current market situation or not. What is the shortcut key for mirror? Control? Yeah, it's there. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. So this is not a promotion, but if you want to see 52-week high stocks, then you can go to Stockage. But this is not promotion. This application is literally good. That's why I'm showing. See, you have to go on a price scan, then you go to 52-week breakouts, and then you go if any stock is crossing 52-week high. See, almost in 5,000 or 2,000 stock, we got this list. How many stocks we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stocks. Now our work is, let's check manually all this stock and which stock is fulfilling our condition. Okay? So first name is GPPL. GPPL. Mostly you will get more analysis already happened in some stock. See, are you getting something? Yes, sir. No cup and handle. This is which type of breakout can come? Reversal. Reversal. See, the stock was trading in a downtrend from 2015. Okay. And it went to downtrend till 2018. From 2018, stock went in a consolidation. Now, again, what happened after consolidation? Breakout. So we have to wait. We have to wait and we have to keep this stock in our watch list. Okay, so this is the stock. Now, something is missing here. Volume. Yes. So when the breakout will come, we will double confirm with volume. So let's see, is there anything happening in volume? Yes? Should I have to say anything? See, now tell me one thing. When this stock was trading at 260 rupees, in 2015, there was no volume, right? And suddenly, the volume is increasing. So, who is buying? I don't know. For why they are buying? I don't want. What I will follow? My strategy or my steps, right? So this is the simple thing which you have to follow, and you can generate good return in your portfolio, right? So this stock is in my watch list. Now many people tell me on my social media platform that, sir, when stock is breaking out, you know properly how this happens. Because that stock was in my watch list since last 1 or 2 months, right? So this stock is in my watch list. So see, now market is bad. If market condition will become good, this stock will rise. Now what will be my first target? If it will break 117, see, generally I will trade for 260. And what if this stock will break 260 level? Then you can say this is multi-year breakout. And I don't want to know that what company is doing, what is their business. I don't want to understand all these things. I am just following price and volume. In Gujarati we say Bhav Bhagwan Che. So I am following Bhagwan, and volume is my pujari in mandir. Right? So this is two things which I follow. And see, in 5,000 stock, right now we got one stock which we can keep in our watch list. Now let's check some other stock. But this is normal practice which I do regularly on a weekly basis. Now suppose Zydus Life Science. Now tell me, is there any setup as per our need? This stock is making 52-week high, but is there any setup? Then we should waste our time here. No, we should skip this stock, right? Now I will show you one stock which is in my watch list, and it is in this list also, that is Bosch. See, this is weekly time frame chart, stock name Bosch. Stock was trading in a downtrend for, again, 2015. It is continuously trading in a downtrend, but now the trend is slowly, steadily changing. But see, what is missing here? Volume is missing here. So I will keep this stock watch list, but if some breakout will happen, maybe I will not invest that much amount of money in this stock. And again, this is the breakout type is reversal breakout, right? So this is one thing which you can do from these two things. As this, like, you can check all-time high stock, and it's very freely available in our social media or any other platform. You can check all-time high stock, and you can apply the same theory there, and you can find out, or you can shortlist your stocks. Now, watch list, I told you that how to create a watch list. Now, I had made one scanner which will, give us good stocks, number of stocks, and I had put there some conditions, right? And that scanner is also free for everyone. So what is that scanner? My scanner name is Bullish Checklist. Now, what is the conditions are there? You know what is 200-day simple moving average? What is the meaning of 200-day simple moving average? If any stock is trading about 200-day price average, then it is considered as a strong. Now many of you, sometime you say that, sir, which thing you are following, simple moving average or exponential moving average? I will tell you, if you follow a weekly time frame chart now, so there is not such big difference in a exponential moving average and simple moving average. Maybe there is a small difference, but there is no big difference. So what I did, I put one condition that stock has to trade above 200-day moving average daily, weekly and monthly. So this is my first condition. So weekly means what? Stock is trading 200-day week average, moving average, and in month 200-day month average. Okay. Now second condition is RSI. Now everybody know RSI for overbought and oversold, but RSI is basically a momentum indicator. RSI will show you that the stock has momentum or not. So the normal condition I have put in here is, if stock RSI is above 52 in daily time frame, monthly time frame, weekly time frame, then that stock will automatically come to my watch list. And third condition is MACD. So that there is some histogram there, so that has to be positive in monthly, daily and weekly. So this is the condition. If you will run this, you will get all this stock. See, right now the market 30 stocks, 30 stocks out of maybe 4,000 or 5,000 list universe, right? So now what you have to do? Can we buy all these 30 stocks? No. We have to check the manually chart, and then we have to understand that the setup is proper or not. Okay. So there are many breakouts, but all the breakouts are not good, or all the stocks are not good. So I will show you one example. Volume we can check manually, na sir? Compared to, relative to the previous volume, it has to be higher. That's it, yes. See, this is KPIT stock. Now, in current market situation, all the IT stocks are not trading in a good situation. But this stock is trading in high price since last, I think, 3-4 months. So this thing tells that this stock has good strength. Now, again, we have to check when the breakout happen. See, it has given a breakout. What was the time? 2022, 2023. The time frame is only 1 year. This stock will not give you 100% return. This stock can give you 20, 15, 30% return. Why I am saying this? Because time is very low, right? And see, there is not such great volume also. So again, this is a breakout. This is a good trade, but this trade can fail. The chances of failing is little bit high. So we can avoid this trade, or we can do this thing. If you want to invest 10 lakh rupees, don't invest 10 lakh rupees, invest 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees if you want to trade. But normally I avoid this type of trade. There was a breakout. That was a breakout. But as per the current situation we are talking, see, post-mortem we can do many things. Yes, that was the good time. That is what I am telling you. Now, see, as of now, if you will check the chart of Mazgaon Dog, HAL, all the stocks are giving breakout. But that stock will not give you that much return. I will show you one example from where I started using trailing stop loss. See, this is persistent, and I was tracking this stock long back. See now what happened here. Why I am telling you that I started following trailing stop loss? Because of this stock. This stock has given a breakout. 2015 was the high, and the stock given breakout at 2020. Years, sir, 5 to 6 years, right? Now, how to calculate target? When any stock is giving lifetime high breakout, you just have to do the range calculation method. What is range calculation method? You just have to calculate the range between your lifetime high and your lifetime low. You just have to calculate that what was the lifetime high minus lifetime low. So you will get the range. So that range you have to apply after the breakout. Right? When this stock has given a breakout, see there was all condition was fulfilling. The candle was good, the price was good, the time was good, right? Now, my final target was 1500, right? And this stock has given a breakout in the month of August, and my target achieved in the month of December. How many months? 5 months. And how much return? Almost 50% return. So I was very happy that chalo, my stock, one stock hit target and I got 50% return. But you know what happened next? See, now my target is here. My target is here, and then stock went to almost 5,000 rupees. Then I was thinking that what went wrong with this thing? My profit calculation or my target calculation method was good, but how can stock went up like 2 times, 3 times up? Then I started following trailing stop loss. Then I started, when my target will hit now, I will exit my 50 to 60% quantity, and I will trail other quantity with that method. And that method is very simple. I started following super trend. Now normally in your traders group, everybody is using super trend for what? For buy or sell, right? If super trend is turning positive, if super trend is turning negative, we will sell. But I use super trend to trail my stop loss. How? I will tell you. See, when my stock is hitting my final target, only that time I will apply super trend in my chart. Okay? What I will do, when my stock will hit my target, first I will exit my 50 to 60% quantity. I will book some profit and I will take some cash back to my account, and rest 40% quantity I will trail with super trend on a weekly basis. What I will do, previously my stop loss was 960 minus 4%. I will tell you how to put the stop loss and what is the percentage you have to maintain. So previously my stop loss was 960 minus 4%, and I was maintaining this stop loss till my target. Okay, when my target will hit, I will change my stop loss to super trend value, right? So when stock was trading at 1500, super trend value was 1150. So for that week my stop loss will be 1150. As per that, on a weekly basis I will trail my stop loss, and when on a closing basis stock will cross the super trend, I will exit my trailing quantity. See, if I had followed that system that time, then I would made more, 147% return. So that is the beauty of trailing stop loss. So that, obviously I was not following this system previously, but after all this thing I understood, and I visited all the trades which I have taken in my history, and I calculate everything, that what is going wrong. Suppose if stock is giving you 300% return, why you will sell? But we don't know na, that this stock will go to 300% or this stock will go to only 50%. So that's why profit booking is very important. Suppose stock can give you 10% return and it can come down also. So that is why the trailing stop loss method is very important. But I always trail my stop loss after booking some profit, not in a full quantity. So what is the trade plan? Find the trend of a stock, short term, medium term and long term. Okay, I never go below weekly time frame chart. So by mean, short term and medium term is actually weekly time frame and long term is actually monthly time frame. I do see quarterly chart also, but that is very long term trades. Find the nearest support and resistance. Define your entry level, target price and stop loss before the trade. Wait for your trade to get active. For example, I will show you one trade which I am waiting since last 1 year. Okay, it is not like that I am not trading any other stock also, but I am waiting for that stock to give a good breakout. Now, be patient and follow your rules. Now, what is the risk management here? No one is asking me that, sir, what is the stop loss, where to buy, and how to execute the trades. So, I had made very simple rule. If stock is giving breakout, then suppose the breakout level is 100 rupees. So, add 4% in 100 rupees and buy at 104. Okay, you just have to add 4% in your breakout price and you have to take entry above 4% on the breakout price. And what is your stop loss? Suppose breakout level is 100, then 100 minus 4%. What is 96? 96 your stop loss. Actually, your stop loss is not 4%. Your stop loss is 8%. Right? So, this is the basic system. Suppose everything is good and every condition is fulfilling, the stock will not come to the breakout level also. But if stock is hitting stop loss, it means there is something wrong and at that time we have to exit. Okay? Yes, full quantity. See why I am following this method? Because when market go to the sideways or a bearish mode now, then you can get very big losses. So it's very simple to keep this cap, that I will not hold if stock is going below 4% to the breakout level. I will show you the current example. There were two stock, JK Tire and Apollo Tire, has given a breakout at the same time few months back. But JK Tire failed and Apollo Tire is still strong. So I am exited from JK Tire and I am still holding Apollo Tire. Now exit rule. Exit your 50% quantity at your target price. That is range calculation method, which we did it. So entry point, from entry point to 50%. So exit your 50% to 60% quantity. It's totally based on your risk profile. I generally exit 60% quantity on your target. And then remaining 40% or 50% quantity, you can trail with super trend. I believe that if your time frame is higher, your accuracy will be higher and your noise will be low. If your time frame is lower, your accuracy will be low and your noise will be high. How much feel that if you are trading in a 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, what do you feel? What is your accuracy? Okay, but when you are trading on a weekly time frame, monthly time frame, your accuracy will be high. But again, this is boring. But see, the ultimate point is to earn profit. And I believe that I don't want to sit on screen for full time. I want to enjoy my time with my family. I want to travel, but I cannot travel with intraday trades. I cannot travel by doing scalping. Right? So this is good for me, I know, and I am following this. So this is the thing. If you have any doubt or you want to reach me out, you can contact me. No, sir. I know a few years back I bought Tanla, and this is recorded on my YouTube channel. I bought Tanla at 106. It went to 200 in 2 weeks, and then it went to 900. So, if you want to avoid, you can avoid penny stock, which is not having volume, which is trading on a circuit basis. But there you will not get this type of setup automatically. Minimum it has to be 3 years. Then you can take a trade. If it is 5 years, I am very happy. If it is 15 years, I am very, very happy. Okay, so any question from your side? Sorry? Which tool? No, tool is, see, many things I do manually. I normally check 5 to 600 chart on a weekly basis. Okay, so the tool is like simple, scanner, 52-week high, all-time high. But I normally what I do, I check all Nifty mid-cap 500 stock. It takes me only 30-20 minutes to check. See, this is all about practice. Okay, so if you are seeing any breakout, you have to remember only 3 things. Yeah, I will show you. Time, volume, and price. This 3 combination will give you good return. But obviously time frame should be weekly or monthly, not a 15-minute or. Okay, I will show you the latest example which I am telling you which failed. See, this was the JK Tire chart. The time high was at 2017, 2018. Stock has given a good breakout. See here, the candle was very strong, but breakout failed. So what we can do here? We are safe because we are risking only 8%. Now, yeah, that was maybe the condition. But see, the same sector, Apollo Tire, again, there is no volume. But again, this stock is consolidating. See, I told you now, when market condition will not give support, then may stock consolidate. Okay, and I will tell you that for which stock I am waiting since last 1 year. I will exit. Now, you know what is the target for Maruti? If it will break 10,000, can anyone tell me? Do you think that 16,000 will come? It can come. That it will go to 390 level or 380 level. Nobody was knowing that persistent will do a breakout at 700 and it will go to 5,000. Anything is possible. You just have to follow your rules. Right? Yes, sir. I'm not getting your voice, sir. Come. Yes, sir.
In terms of events like the COVID or the Russian war crisis, so do you stick to your SL or do you?
No, I stick to my SL. Sir, I will tell you one thing. The COVID fall happened in, can anyone tell me? The fall was started from February month. But circuit was in the March month. Just understand one thing, we are keeping our stop loss at 4% cap. If market is turning bearish now, it will not turn on a one day. It will turn in a monthly or 2-month time frame. And during that time frame, our all stock will hit stop loss. If stock market is going during COVID time of phase, that time every stock will hit stop loss and you will get your cash back again. So, before lower circuit, you will exit your stocks if you are following your stop loss properly as per the 4% cap. Okay. Yes, sir. See, previously I was using 10% stock, but after an experience now, my allocation to 15%, 20% as per my comfortable thing. right? When Maruti will break out now, maybe I will allocate more funds because this is my confidence. At the time of practicing, starting for 3 years, you can allocate same percentage of capital to every stock. For example, you have 100 rupees, you can allocate 5 rupees to every stock, or you can allocate 10 rupees to every stock. Out of 10, automatically 7 to 6 stocks will give you good result. Yes, sir.
Sir, once we put the stock in a checklist,
Yeah.
can we look at it at lower time frame, say daily?
No, sir. Many people ask me this thing, that sir, now you know this stock is strong and this stock is in your checklist, then let's come down to the lower time frame and buy as per the lower time frame. Okay, so I feel that, see, this is my style. I am not telling you that you have to follow this style, but I am just telling you that by following this style, you can earn money also. Okay, it's totally depend upon your temperament, that what is suiting to you. Okay, so thank you. If you want to connect me or anything, you can contact me. Thank you.